Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasib and you are welcome to my channel Nasib IT. Friends, today in this video I will show you how to design this flyer easily by using Photoshop. So let's start the video. So friends, first of all we have to set our face. To do it, you have to click on here. Then you have to select millimeters from here. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 210. Then you have to click on this box. Then you have to type here 297. Then you have to click on the OK. After set up the page, we have to select the pen tool from here. Then have to click on here. Then have to select shape from here. Then have to click on here. Then have to click on here and draw a curve. Then have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key. Then click on the anchor point. Then click on here, 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 and here. Then select the move tool. After that, you have to select this layer. Then have to double click on here. Then have to select the red color. Then click on the OK. Then select this layer. Then press and hold alt key. Then take it from this layer. After I have to select this layer, then I have to double click on here, then I have to select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then I have to click on the anchor point, then click on this layer, then click on the flip horizontal. Then click on the tick mark. Then drag this layer under this layer. Then select this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then I have to select this layer, then drag this layer in here. Then select this layer, then drag this layer in here. After that, you have to select this layer again and press and hold alt key and take it from this, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then you have to rotate this. Then you have to click on the tick mark. Then select this layer, then press and hold alt key and take it from this layer, then double click on here, then select the blue color, then click on the OK, then drag this under this layer, then you have to drag this in here. Then click on the tick mark. After that, you have to select the pen tool from here, then you have to click on here, then you have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point. Then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point again. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then click on here. Then press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here, here. Then select the move tool. Then you have to select the pen tool again. Then you have to click on here. On here and draw a curve. Then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point. Then click on here and draw a curve again. Then press and hold alt key and click on the anchor point again. Then click on here, here, and here. Then select this. Then double click on here. Then select the yellow color. Then click on the OK. Then drag this under this layer. Then select the pen tool again. Then have to click on here. Then have to click on here and draw a curve. Then you have to press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then you have to click on here and draw a curve again. Press and hold alt key, then click on the anchor point, then click on here and here. Then select this. After that, you have to unlock the background layer. Then you have to right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the color overlay. Then click on here, then select this color, then you have to select this color from here. Then click on the OK. Now we have to lock this layer again, then you have to select this layer, then you have to lock these layers, then you have to select these layers, then you have to lock these layers again. Then you have to unlock these layers. Then you have to select these layers, then you have to press and hold alt key, then take it from these layers, then you have to click on the anchor point and right click on this layer, then click on the flip vertical. After that, you have to unlock all layers again. Then you have to select these, then you have to double click on here, then you have to select the blue color, then click on the OK. Then you have to select this layer, then double click on here, then you have to select this color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then double click on here, then select this color again, then you have to select this color from here, then click on the OK, then select this, then double click on here, then you have to select color, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Then to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on here, then click on the blues, then you have to select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select this layer, then right click on this layer, then click on the blending option, then click on the gradient overlay, then click on the OK. Then select this, then double click on here, then select this color, then you have to select color from here, then click on the OK. Then select these, then double click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. Now we have to select the background layer, then have to double click on here, then click click on the color overlay, then click on here, then select this color, then I have to select this color from here, then click on the OK. Now we have to select the background layer, then we have to lock this layer. After that we have to write the text in here. I am already write the text, so I am pasting the text in here. After press the text, we have to double click on here, then we have to click on here, then we have to select the white color, then click on the OK. Now click on the tick mark, then select the rounded rectangle tool from here, then draw the shape in here. Click on the fill, then select the white color, then select this. Then press on velocity, then decrease the size of this, and click on the tick mark. And drag this in here, and select these layers, then have to drag these layers in here, then decrease the size of these layers, and click on the tick mark. Then select this layer, and drag this layer in here. After that you have to write your company services in here. I am already write the services, so I am pasting this. After that you have to select these layers, then have to lock these layers, then have to select this layer, then lock this layer, then select these layers, then drag these layers in here, then decrease the size of these layers. After that you have to write this text in here. So now you have to open your logo. So I am opening my logo from my PC. After that you have to write this text in here. Then you have to select the shape tool from here, then right click on it, then select the round shape from here, then draw the shape in here. Then select this, then drag this in here, then increase the size of this. After that you have to open an image to set in here. So I am opening an image from my PC. After that you have to select the image again, then press and hold down Ctrl key, then select the round shape from here, then press Ctrl+Z button from keyboard. Then click on here, then select the image from here, then right click on here, then select the create clipping mask. Then increase the image size. Then click on the tick mark. After that you have to select the round shape, then right click on it, then click on the blending option, then click on the stroke. Then click on here, then select this color, then click on the OK. So now here you can see the final result. Friends, if this video is useful to you, please like and share this video and subscribe my channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.